By the power vested in me as the President of the Rotary Club of San Pedro, I hereby declare this 52nd founding anniversary and 53rd induction ceremony to order.
Thank you for your presence, your leadership, and your unwavering support. Your commitment to service and unity lights the path for the year ahead. Thank you very much.
And to everyone here tonight, thank you for being part of the celebrations of commitment, continuity, and community. Once again, welcome. May this evening inspire us all to continue unite for good. Mabuhay ang Rotary of San Pedro! Mabuhay ang Rotary!
Kaya ako pumasok sa Rotary dahil ang San Pedro ay nakatulong sa akin at ako ay nailagay sa aking katayuan ngayon. Nung ako ay bata pa, ako ay nagtrabaho o nakakuha ng mga ikabubuhay namin dito sa San Pedro. Pati na aking pag-aaral ay nasustentuhan ng bayan ng San Pedro. Kaya ako ay narito ngayon sa Rotary Club of San Pedro para ibalik ang abot na aking makakaya sa mamamayan ng San Pedro.
Great Joy International Fellowship, we warmly welcome representative of our Rotary International Sister Club, the Rotary Club of Uridong, South Korea. Your presence is a true reminder that Rotary service knows no boundaries and that our shared values unite us across cultures nation.
I would like to extend my sincere congratulations to the new president and executives on their inauguration. And I wish the endless development of the San Pedro Rotary Club and the health and happiness of all its members. Joel Dimas, President Pabuhay. Salamat po.
Congratulations, Papa, on being elected as the President of the Rotary Club of San Pedro. Your hard work and your leadership has led you to this moment. I wish you a meaningful, impactful, and a successful term ahead. I love you, Papa. Good luck.
We'll always be here as your family, kaming mga magkakapatid, to support you and to be with you all the way. So thank you for all that you also supported us. And then congratulations! Hi pa! Congratulations sa pagiging president mo sa Rotary Club of San Pedro. Sana ma-fulfill mo yung duties and responsibilities mo. Nandito lang kami to support you. Good luck and God bless. We love you!
Congratulations, Press Manny Joel, and to the new set of officers. Kaya natin to.
The best way to describe President Joel Dimas is like a true blue rain in the desert land. In short, Latin, res ipsa loquitur, which means the thing speak for itself. Pagtingin lang sa'yo, sa mga ginagawa mo, you're an action man. Again, congratulations, hardworking President Joel.
Papa, congratulations. Hope and pray na magampanan mo ng maayos ang iyong tungkulin at sana mas marami ka pang matulungan as you wish. Nandito lang kami ng mga anak mo para suportahan ka. God bless you. We love you.
To incoming President JC Dimas, good luck to your journey, and I know our club is in good hands under your presidency. Again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at mabuhay ang Rotary Club of San Pedro.
Your light shines brightly in our district, and I am excited to see how much farther your passion will lead you. Again, thank you very much po sa inyong lahat, and Diyos mabalos po.
Together we will serve. Together we will lead. Together we will leave a legacy. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang Rotary Club of San Pedro.